you. Ano na siya, more fashionable. We're bringing feng shui into a more fashionable one. So that's actually my bronze figure registered in bronze. Warrior, of course. So there's a mystic knot. This is similar to this. Ano mangyayari sa mystic knot na to? It's actually for money and love. So I wish you all the luck for the year. At the one is always charitable. So tapos it is for you, darling. So I wish you all the luck. Inside, meron kang guide dyan. Julia, nandiyan yung guide. Tapos, pwede mo, kunyari, you're gonna sign a contract. Tapos, yung mga contract signing dates. Yes. Tapos, kung ano yung mga araw na makikipag-date ka. Or, you know. Pwede rin natin ng mama niya, si Lola. Pwede na po daw mag-date si Julia. Sa pag nag-17 siya, or kailangan maghintay na 20 years old na siya.
Where are you going?
Not yet po.
See, you scattered. Scattered everything. Now we have to fix again. Huh?
So I really hope it will give you guidance. Okay. Syempre, si Chris, we have the number 8 water fountain for you. I really think you lagay ko yun sa bahay ko. Sa gitna. Sa gitna. Parang natin ito na maayos.
Yes, my baby. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Macy? Where's your nose? Nose, eyes, head, 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 nose, nose, eyes, eyes, eyes. Yay! My baby nose. Sharpen your nose. You sharpen your nose. You sharpen your nose.
Okay, Julia, ikaw, ano pinagpapasalamat? Parang 2011 po was yung starting point.
Na. Yes. You're eating egg noodles. Egg noodles. Wow. My baby, you eat na. See the mosquito bite? Ula.
Growing up din po, siyempre. Ano yung sa age ninyo talaga, ang galing-galing ninyo at nakikita mo talaga na ikaw,
where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Finish? Finish? Okay.